Hello everyone, you're welcome back. Today I'll be making OGBONO and OKRO soup. This is one of my favorite soup combinations, so let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start by cooking the meat, so I'll be seasoning the meat with some onion, some salt and some seasoning cubes. I'll gently mix this together and cover it to simmer for some minutes before adding water. After 5 minutes, I'll be adding in water enough to cook the meat and it's very soft. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and prep the okra I'll be using for the soup. After 20 minutes, my meat is ready and I'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients. I'll be using some stockfish and some bonga. I'll mix this together and I'll be adding in my blended Scotch bonnet pepper. I will add in a little more water. That will be enough to cook the soup. I'll add in some bonga fish and some dried prawns. I'll mix this together, add in my crayfish powder, and I'll cover this to cook for another 5 minutes. This is my one pot soup because all the ingredients is going into this pot. Everything is going in one after the other till it's ready. After 5 minutes, I'll be adding in my palm oil and I'll mix this together before adding in my blended OGBONO seed. There are different methods to this process. You can decide to add in the OGBONO like this after adding your palm oil, or you can decide to mix the OGBONO with your palm oil and drop it in the meat while it's cooking to heat up, or you heat up some oil and add it to the OGBONO to mix it together. But whichever one you prefer is the perfect. So I'll be adding in a little more water to loosen it at this point, because the OGBONO is too thick and I don't like it too thick or too thin. Just adding a little more water. Then I'll be adding in my chopped okra. I'll mix this together thoroughly and afterwards I'll be adding in my vegetable. For this recipe I'll be using bitter leaf. You can decide to use any vegetable of your choice. I'll be adding in my bitter leaf and I'll mix it in and I'll allow it to cook for a minute. Then I'll turn off the heat and the soup is ready. OGBONO soup is one of my favorite soup. It's a recipe that you can make on a very busy day. It's very simple and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, kindly like the video and drop your comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.